Welcome to Fashion Plus, your trusted place for timeless beauty and confidence at every age. If you are over 60 and struggling with thin or fine hair, today's video is just for you. We are sharing 40 volumizing hairstyles that add body, bounce, and beauty to your look effortlessly. Let's begin with the classic layered bob, one of the best cuts. To add instant fullness, layers create movement and volume, especially when blow dried with a round brush. Next we have the textured pixie cut, short, stylish and packed with volume at the crown. It's easy to style and bring focus to your beautiful features. Try a choppy cut with side bangs for a fresh and youthful appearance. Side bangs create softness and give the illusion of thicker hair near the forehead. The stack bob is another favorite with shorter layers at the back and longer pieces in front. It gives a full rounded shape, ideal for fine hair. For a more relaxed look, go for a soft curly crop. Loose curls or waves add texture and fullness, especially when styled with a light mousse. The blunt bob with volume spray is a special yet bold choice. It adds weight to the end while lifting the roots. Don't be afraid of a little lift. These crown styles or mini pop adders can give the top of your head a boost, making hair appear thicker. A feathered shag cut with face framing layers is also perfect for thinning hair. It adds volume and softness at the same time. For ladies embracing their natural grey, try a silver layered lob, longer than a bob but still light and full of body. And of course, accessorize, handbands, clips and side part can all be used to lift the roots and create volume where you need it most. No matter your age, your hair can still be full of life and beauty. Which of these styles did you love the most? Tell us in the comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Fashion Plus for more elegant hairstyle ideas created just for women like you. Somehow I will keep bringing good videos for you guys. At the same time, I would like ask your permission to leave. See you soon in another nice video. Until then, take care of yourself. Thank you.